Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are
How are
you?
you? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
Very good.
Not good. Did you say you are not good?
No, I am good.
Oh, good. And how have you had a good day?
Yeah, it was very good.
Done today?
I done my work, whatever I am doing in my field right now.
You finished working today?
Yeah, I finished my work.
Good. What time is it? What time is it?
37 past 8 p.m.
Okay. Okay.
In your
So
country?
it's the evening. Time to relax.
Yeah, it's evening.
So what are you doing tonight?
Tonight I will listen podcast for better understanding and I feel sleepy while listening to this. So it helps me for sleeping.
Okay. What podcast do you listen to?
It helps me to understand many accent.
Is it for English?
Yeah, I do it just for learning English.
Okay. Very good. And what is the podcast? What do they talk about?
That I talk about journey and time and speaking English most. So yeah, I think I learned a lot of things from podcast right now.
Okay, so it's about like skills, life skills.
Yeah, life skill and mostly they talk about how to be fluent in English.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
But it also helps you to sleep.
Yeah, really. You know, the thing you do every day and for learning purpose, that
Yes.
time, that time we feel sleepy if we
Yeah.
read.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it's difficult. Like you have to concentrate. So,
yeah,
and you've already been working. You have already been using your brain a lot for the day.
exactly.
I think it's perfectly okay if you fall asleep.
Yeah, otherwise we just consume social media and we don't sleep till 12 and 1. So that's why it's good that we good early and we wake up early.
Okay. So, is that what you do, or are you talking in general about the world, society?
Yeah, I just I would like with the general conversation.
Okay, in general conversation. Yes. Well, I like to go to bed early, so try to not go on my phone too much in the evening, and I have time limit on Instagram. So, I cannot use Instagram for more than 30 minutes every day.
So teach me how you do it. I must follow because I don't want to waste my time.
Mm.
Yeah,
So you don't use social media?
I use on Instagram. I watch reels.
Can you say that again?
Yeah, Instagram reels on Instagram. 1 minute video. It's called like
1 minute videos. That's what you watch on Instagram?
yeah. So it consume my whole time and don't know how I just finished 1 hour or 2 hours. So I think it's very bad habit for me.
Mm-hmm. Do you find it difficult to stop?
Yeah, absolutely. That's why people not grow in any field and they don't learn a good skill because
Mm.
they indulge
Yes.
too much on social media, I think.
Yeah, it's very addictive. And what sort of
Yes.
videos do you watch?
I watch social media influencer who dance and yeah, mostly I watch reels, every type of reels you can say. Sometimes it's farming reels, sometimes it's nature nature reels and dancing video a lot.
Okay. Okay. And it's scary how the social media, they know that you like this and they keep showing you new videos like this
Yeah,
because of the
so
algorithm, right? It's very
yeah,
clever, very clever and scary. Okay. So, what other social media do you use?
I see the news through the social media, and that's why I think my English is getting very better. And through the news, I think so, I don't feel bored, so it helps me to learn English as well.
Ah,
We
okay.
can't,
So
yeah,
you listen to the news in English.
yeah, listen and read
That's
news.
great. Is it
Yeah,
news, international news?
yeah, international because I don't know why I always eager to know about the world, to
Yeah,
discover the world. Yeah,
yeah. Very important. And have you
yeah.
looked at it today?
Sorry,
Have you looked at it today, the news?
today I think I didn't.
Okay, not yet.
Yeah,
Not yet. Maybe later. Because I am not sure what they will write in the news today. It's interesting. It's different every day. So I think it's a very good way to learn English, like you say, because the topic is different. So the vocabulary is different.
yeah.
Hmm.
So if you read some interesting news and you find some difficult vocabulary, that time you must search that mean. I think.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. And when you see a word that you don't know, do you look it up?
Yeah,
Do you yeah, and you learn it?
yeah, absolutely.
Okay, very good. How do you learn vocab? Do you write it
So
down? Do you repeat it?
before some time, I was consuming newspaper a lot, and I short listed a lot of vocabulary, and I noted down in my notebook. And after
Okay.
that, yeah, after that I did Google for their meanings, and that's how I learned a lot of vocabulary. But right now, I don't write through the pen and paper. I just write on computer, and
Mm.
I think right now I stopped learning vocabularies because we just think that we should write a lot of vocabularies and find out
Mhm.
their meaning. But
Mhm.
yeah, just watch every day mobiles and don't do work hard. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it's the habit. Yeah,
Yes, I also learn like this way that you talk about. So if I write something, it helps it to go in my head because my brain can remember my hand moving.
yeah. I think it's an easy way to learn vocabularies.
Mm.
Otherwise, just by reading, I think we can't remember.
Yeah, it's difficult. Difficult. And there are so many words in English.
Yeah,
And how often are you using Cambly?
Right now, every day.
Okay. 15 minutes every day?
Yeah, 50 minutes every day, and I think it hold me to do my work for yeah. I find that if I talk with the native speaker, so I think that we should be prepared for that. That's why I learn English. Otherwise, I become very lazy and I stop learning everything.
Okay, I see. And do you think Cambly is social media?
It's, I think, yeah, I can say it's social media.
Kind of, isn't it? Kind of is. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
I never thought of this question before. I just ask you now. You are the first person I ask.
so did you find it correct or not?
Did?
Did you find my answer was right or not?
I've never thought about it. I think it probably is a little bit like a social media because it's online. That's definitely important. And also, it's meeting new people. It is connecting, it is contact, it is communication. So, yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, so I think so. Whoever made Cambly app, it was very great person.
Mm,
It is
you
like
like it. That's
I
good.
like this app really.
Good. Do you use it on your mobile?
Yeah.
On your phone? Okay. It doesn't work on my phone. I cannot have it on my phone. I don't know why. I've emailed Cambly and said, for some reason, the app does not work on my phone. And they just said, sorry, we will look into it. But I don't know if they have fixed it. But it's fine. I can do the computer as well.
Yeah. So do you find it's very interesting to talk with new people every day?
Absolutely. Yeah. I meet so many new people. It's also nice when I speak to people I've met before. I really like this because the conversation can be a bit more developed. And also, I can see people improving, which is really nice. I speak to some people twice a week, so I can see the progress. And yeah, I learn about cultures, I learn about different lifestyle and what people find important. People have different opinions. It's nice to discuss.
Yeah, and I think so. On Cambly, I just don't feel bored, and sometimes I feel little bit nervous because
Okay.
sometimes Cambly Twitter ask very hard question, like sometimes they ask about political question,
Ah,
economic, and for weather, and a lots of difficult question. So it's very hard to answer them. But
okay.
yeah,
And you feel a bit nervous before a lesson?
no.
No. Okay. Good. Are my questions too difficult?
Not too. It's depends on our choice because
Yeah.
it's not that it answer is fixed. It is not fixed. It depends on your wish, I think.
Okay. I wouldn't ask about politics because I think it's a private, personal thing. So I don't normally ask about politics. It's a difficult subject.
So you like politics, reading news, like politician news,
Yeah, I do. I like politics. Yeah. But I
but
know that
don't
not
like
everyone
talk.
does. Do you like politics?
Yeah, I learned through the news, so it's obvious that I know, and I would like to discuss about politics.
Okay. So you like the questions about politics?
Yeah, because
Yeah. It's a good
uh,
challenge.
yeah, good challenge and only genius can answer, I think.